Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn the past continuous tense in a fun and easy way. What is it? We use past continuous tense to talk about actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. It shows that something was in progress or still happening at that moment. Structure, formula, subject plus was, were plus verb plus ing. Use, was, with I, he, she, it. Use, were, with you, we, they. Examples. I was studying English last night. She was cooking dinner when I called. They were playing cricket in the evening. We were watching TV while it was raining. How to remember it? It describes background actions, interrupted actions, two actions happening at the same time. Mini story. Last night, I was writing my notes. My brother was shouting on the phone, and my mom was baking a cake in the kitchen. Everything was happening at the same time. Now you try. Write in the comments. What were you doing yesterday at 8 p.m.? Follow for more easy grammar lessons. See you next time.